there was this really interesting thing. When I was reading the foreword by Mr. R. Gopalakrishnan, your ex-colleague and a patron of CBL, I think he's very closely associated with us. In the last paragraph of his, he writes, what does this have to do with the elegantly simple anecdotes told by Harish Bhatt in this book? And I think for me, the beauty of this book was the elegantly simple anecdotes. And I think what you just shared with us, how your curiosity around socks emerged, and maybe you were wearing the same today, and how the book cover emerged, and so on and so forth. It's also a lot about connecting the dots, right? Going back, and there's a section in the book where you talk about Steve Jobs and his curiosity, who also spoke about connecting the dots. Could you?
Absolutely right. So many people here would have heard about Steve Jobs' commencement address at Stanford University. It's one of the most famous commencement or convocation addresses given anywhere in the world. You may remember the last line in that address, which says, "Stay hungry, stay foolish." He wants everyone to stay hungry and stay foolish. But in that same commencement address, Steve Jobs talks about himself and his curiosity. And he says, out of curiosity comes everything. He describes this anecdote from his life. He's a college dropout. He has dropped out of his college course and he's wandering around the college campus with nothing to do. And he comes across a poster which has been stuck on a tree saying there are calligraphy classes happening inside there. And he says, I have nothing better to do and it's a good thing to learn about calligraphy. Let me go in and sit for those classes. So he goes and sits for those 6-7 classes of calligraphy. And this is a story that he narrates at Stanford. He has no idea what calligraphy is going to do to him in his life. But he learns, everything that all of us know, the Arial font, the Gothic font, the Times New Roman font. All of us are now familiar with that in the world of computers. He learns about all the beautiful fonts which have been created in the world. He learns to write in a calligraphy manner. And he says at that time, I had absolutely no idea how this is going to benefit me. I just went there because I was curious to know more about calligraphy and I did not know it. He says 15 years later, when Steve Wozniak and I were sitting down together to design the Apple iMac. And we wanted to create fonts for the Apple iMac. And at that time, if you remember, everything that the world has was MS-DOS. You remember how MS-DOS was with those very boring fonts on the screen. He said that entire lessons of the calligraphy class came into my mind. And I said, if calligraphy can make fonts so beautiful, why don't we make our Apple user interface so beautiful with the same kind of fonts? And that is how the graphical user interface of Apple and the beautiful fonts on Apple were developed. Because Steve Jobs at one time attended a class on calligraphy which stoked his curiosity. So Steve Jobs says, don't worry about the dots connecting. If you're really curious and passionate about something, the dots will connect in your life. It is when you put performance pressure on yourself, saying what I learned today should be used tomorrow, then you stop learning.
Yeah.
There is no need for something that you learn today to be used tomorrow. Something that you learn today can be used later in life or can be used tomorrow. But what should kind of motivate you to learn is just the sheer joy of learning. Knowing that you do not know it all and learning holds joy in itself. When you learn for that, then you learn very well and then your curiosity kind of plays itself out very productively in your life. So this is what Steve Jobs said, and this entire book was actually inspired by his statement, out of curiosity comes everything. That's what he says. In his life, he says, whether it's the Apple Mac, whether it is the iPod, the iPad or the iPhone, very famously that Steve Jobs did not believe in market research. He and his team, with their belief in curiosity, with their belief in understanding more about consumers, that is how they have been able to evolve all these products.